Right, here we are, we got through it, we got it pretty cleaned up. There's some pretty bad damage to the sewer that needs to be repaired. Right now we're facing straight down into the city. We're in a chimney. You can't see that well because the water's just dripping down the camera. Looks like, it's hard to say, but there might be cracking at the bottom of that chimney. It's really hard to say. It might be the city line, I don't know. It's too hard to say. Been waiting for a while here to get this thing to stop dripping, but it just won't. So here we are. This is your lateral. That's the chimney that we were just talking about. We're just going to come back. The 6-inch clay line. This part doesn't look too bad, but it's pretty bad once we get back towards the house here. At a really low spot. I'm guessing that this was where the cesspool was. We're about to enter it now. Looks like, there you go, there's a rock. Might be a chunk of grease, but most likely a rock from the cavities that the offsets have here. A little flat here. It's about to get worse here in a second. There's a really bad offset there that we just fell down, and now we're going to come up it on the other side. So it just goes down and up really hard. It's always going to sit full of water. It needs to be repaired. It's failed. There's some big separations in there most likely. The pipe it doesn't have corners, so it's just straight pieces that have fallen down, just like with what you see here. We never found an outside clean out. I'm going to guess that someone thought this was an outside clean out. This is an extremely separated pipe. That hole to the top right-ish, I'm guessing, is just a hole in the dirt. Might even be a spot that rats are coming in, things like that. So that needs to be repaired in this section from here to there for sure. There is some damage right here. This is all broken, cracked up, needs to be repaired. Now we're back into the 4-inch cast iron. The bottom of this cast iron is rotted out. You can see it right there. Now we're into the plastic. We didn't install a clean out, so we're going through this toilet flange that's here. So that's it. Thank you.